In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with alpha channel, transparent background in After Effects. If you've ever needed your motion graphics or lower thirds to sit cleanly over video without a solid background, you'll want to export with an alpha channel. The alpha channel is the transparency information that lets your footage remain see-through wherever there's no artwork. First, prepare your composition so only the elements you want visible are present. Remove any solid background layers you don't need, and use the transparency grid in the composition viewer to confirm which areas are truly transparent. Make sure your timing, resolution, and frame rate are locked in before exporting. When you're ready, send the comp to the render queue. Go to the composition menu and choose Add to Render Queue, or use the shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows, Command+M on a Mac. This opens the Render Queue panel at the bottom of After Effects, where you'll control all export settings. In the Render Queue, look for the Output Module entry and click the blue text next to it, which often says Lossless by default. This opens the Output Module settings, where you'll choose a format that supports transparency. Select QuickTime as your format. QuickTime Movie files are the most common choice for alpha because many editing and playback tools understand them. Avoid formats like H.264 or MP4, they don't carry an alpha channel. Next, click Format Options. Choose a codec that supports transparency, such as Apple ProRes 44444 or Animation. ProRes 4444 is widely used, offers excellent quality, and is typically more manageable in size than Animation, while still preserving the alpha channel. Back in the Output Module Settings window, find the channel setting and change it to RGB plus alpha. This tells After Effects to include both color and transparency in the export. If you leave it at RGB only, your file will render with a solid background and won't be transparent in other apps. Now choose where to save your file. In the Render Queue, click the blue Output to Text, pick a destination folder, and give your file a clear name so you can identify the format and codec later. Finally, click Render. You'll see the progress bar move across the Render Queue. When it finishes, your QuickTime file will include an alpha channel and can be layered over other footage without any background. To double-check, import the file into your editing software or drop it onto a new composition and confirm that the transparent areas remain see-through. You're all set to deliver clean, professional graphics with a transparent background.